exactly is Microsoft Lync? Lync is a virtual connection between you and the people you work with that lets you talk, share your desktop and applications, and work together in real time. Right from your computer, from practically anywhere, in ways that feel more natural and familiar. Lync keeps you in the know with automatic updates about the people you work with, like what they're up to, whether or not they're available, where they are right now, even what they look like. And Lync lets you control how your own information is presented, so others always see you at your best. Lync's HD video and crystal clear audio make your conversations feel more face-to-face, more, well, conversational. Now people can truly hear and see what you mean. It lights up Outlook, Word, and your other Office applications with the glow of presence icons that invite you to connect without leaving what you're doing with one simple click. Lync keeps all your contacts within easy reach with a contact list, instant messaging, even a phone with a dial pad, voicemail, and call history that all work just like you're used to. So you can focus less on learning how to use Lync and more on getting your message across and your work done. Away from your office? Lync forwards your calls to any number or person you choose. So you never miss a message, and your messages never miss you. Lync helps you share. With just a few clicks, you can turn a two-person conversation into a full-on team meeting. A connected workspace where you can share your ideas, applications, documents, even your desktop, in real time, even with people who don't have Lync. Yep, Lync's a lot of things. It's up-to-minute info, a green light to connect with anyone from anywhere, a standing invitation to share. But maybe the best way to describe it is this: Lync is you, your team, and your work connected.